Ring, ring. Hello? My name is Agatha Christine, but my friends call me... or...
You think you can catch my thief with that, plaything you have there?
It's a camera.
Agatha Christine is a real
My
detective.
detective gut tells me something's up with this Vincent fella.
She has a major case to solve.
You have to make sure you jump while you pull at it. It's called a bunny hop.
I always get this roller coaster feeling every time I see him.
Well, weren't you supposed to catch the thief?
Yeah, sure. I'm on the case.
Agatha Christine is on a hunt for the truth. But can she trust her detective sense? Join her on the thrilling hunt as Agatha Christine tries to solve the great mystery.
Ouch, ouch! Why did you do that?
Next Door Spy.
The game is up, Baloney Macaroni.